Today let's open and see what we have received from R&G Racing. R&G oil cooler, water pump cover, clutch and engine cover pro. Let's open it up. This is the installation instructions and the hardware. This is the engine cover for the left hand side. It is made up of metal, and this thing is, I think it's a slider, and I think it is replaceable. So in case you go down and the slider gets pretty scuffed up, you can just change this. I don't think you have to replace the entire engine cover if there is no crack on this. You can just replace this. That's a very good, I think it's a new addition. So now let's see how to install this on this bad boy. Let's start on the left side. This is a carbon fiber left hand side engine case cover. So we're going to remove that, and we're going to install the new R&G Pro engine case covers and the water pump cover. So to start, we have to remove 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. So let's start. Let's start with this one. This is a T30. These are all T25s. I think that gives us enough space to handle all this. First, let's remove the old engine case cover. That's it. This thing comes off, and let me install the OEM screws wherever they are supposed to be. So then I can have an idea of which all screws to remove to put in the R&G cover. In order to install this one here, you have to remove 1, 2, 3 and 4 and replace these with the longer ones, R&G included. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's put some thread locker. Let's put the washer inside. Add this in. It goes in. Now let's tighten this with a H5 Allen wrench. Okay, that's it. The left hand side engine case is done. Now let's install the cover for the water pump. So it has 3 screws, all T30. 2, okay, 3. Put on the R&G cover. Goes in like this. When you are doing any of these works, make sure the engine is cold so that you don't burn yourself. Just put the installation screws provided by R&G. We're done for the left side. Now let's reinstall the fairings. We have successfully completed the left side. Now let's do the right side of the bike. And yes, we are here. To fit the right hand side, you need to remove 1, 2, 3 and 4 bolts. As you can see here, for the right hand side, all 4 bolts are of different lengths. So refer to the installation manual and see which bolt goes where, and tighten them in accordingly. If not, you'll mess it up. These are X5s. 2, 3, 4, and we have installed the right side successfully. Love this, man, looks so good. Now let's put the fairings back. Okay, so nice, so clean, so elegant. This is the water pump cover, this is the left hand side engine case cover, and this is the right hand side engine case cover. Metal, plastic, these sliders can be replaced. If these are not cracked, you don't have to replace them. I'll post a video on the installation process of the oil cooler guard pretty soon.